Namaskar. Dissolution of the partnership firm. Part 1. Dissolution of a firm. As per Indian Partnership Act 1932, dissolution firm means termination of partnership among all the partners of the firm. When a firm is dissolved, the business of the firm terminates. All the assets of the firm are disposed of and all outsiders' liabilities and partners' loan and partners' capital are paid. अब आता है डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. पहले था डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ फर्म, अब था डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. Dissolution of partnership refers to terminal of old partnership agreement, that is partnership deed, and a reconstruction the firm. It may take place on 1. Change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partner. 2. Admission of a partner. 3. Retirement or death of partner. It may or may not result into closing down of the business, as the remount partners, means remaining partner, may decide to carry on the business under a new agreement. Types of dissolution of firms. A partnership firm can be dissolved in any the following ways. A. Without the intervention of the court. 1. When all partners agree to dissolve the firm, section 40 के अनुसार. सेकंड, कंपल्सरी डिसोल्यूशन, सेक्शन 41. इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट है when all or except one but one partner of the firm become insolvent. Second, when business of the firm become unlawful. Third, on the happening of any of the following events, section 42 में वन आता. सेक्शन थर्ड का फर्स्ट है ऑन द इंसॉल्वेंसी ऑफ ए पार्टनर. सेकंड आता है ऑन द fulfillment of the objective of the firm for which the firm was formed. Third, on the expiry of the period for which the firm was formed. Number 4, by notice, section 43. When the duration of the partnership firm is fixed and it is at will of the partners. Any partner may giving notice, other partners can dissolve the firm. बी पार्ट आता है डिसोल्यूशन बाय ऑर्डर ऑफ द कोर्ट, सेक्शन 44. ए कोर्ट ऑन एप्लीकेशन बाय ए पार्टनर में ऑर्डर द डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ द फर्म अंडर द फॉलोइंग सर्कमस्टेंसेस. नंबर 1, व्हेन ए पार्टनर हैज बिकम ऑफ अनसाउंड माइंड. व्हेन ए पार्टनर हैज बिकम permanently incapable of performing his duties as a partner. Third, when a partner is found quality of misconduct that may harm the partnership. नंबर 4 पॉइंट आता है इसमें when a partner consistently and deliberately commits breach of partnership agreement. Number 5, when a partner transfer whole of his interest in the business firm to a third party without the consent of existing partners. Number 6, when the court is satisfied that the partnership firm cannot be carried on except at a loss. 7, when the court finds that the dissolution of firm is justified and equitable. अब आता है अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डिसोल्यूशन. On dissolution of a firm, the following accounts are opened to close the books of the firm. फर्म के डिसोल्यूशन पर हमें 4 अकाउंट बनाने होते हैं. नंबर 1, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. सेकंड, पार्टनर्स लोन अकाउंट. थर्ड, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. और फोर्थ, कैश और बैंक अकाउंट. इस थ्योरी के आधार पर हमें किस प्रकार से हम डिसोल्यूशन को प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम को सोल्व करेंगे, उसमें हमें बहुत कुछ सहायता मिलेगी. धन्यवाद.